If you're restoring your interior, the first major step is clearing out any rust and damage to the structure. Sometimes that means replacing the rear package tray. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 through 72 Chevelle steel rear package trays. Each tray is complete from stamped 20 gauge steel using case hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. Each reproduction extends from the floor pan up to the package tray area and back to the trunk lip for complete coverage. Panels also feature correctly placed holes that are used for mounting various accessories as well as adding rigidity to the panel. At the end of the production line, each tray is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as EDP coating. EDP coating helps protect your part from potential rust so that it'll be ready for painting upon arrival. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.